Taya, ano tong nasa bag mo?
Ha? Wala po, kuya.
June, tulungan natin si Taya.
There are people hurting in the world out there. They need you, they need me, they need Christ. There are children crying and no one to care. They need you, they need me, they need Christ, and they'll go on hurting in the world out there, and they'll go on dying, drowning in despair, and they'll go on crying. That's unless we care. They need you, they need me, they need Christ. There's the homeless man and there's the prisoner too. They need you, they need me, they need Christ. There's the trafficked girl who must be seen by you. They need you, they need me, they need Christ. Isolated school children who want to learn, and the teachers working smart to take their turn, and the parents with no job or way to earn. They need you, they need me, they need Christ. There are people who don't get an equal start. They need you, they need me, they need Christ. There are those with hatred buried in their heart. They need you, they need me, they need Christ. There are some held back by gender or by race, and they long for love and for a caring place, that we keep ignoring them is a disgrace. They need you, they need me, we need Christ. They need you, they need me, they need Christ.
Salamat sa inyo at hindi niyo ako pinapabayaan. Kahit na iniwan tayo ni Mama at kahit binubugbog ako ni Papa, nandyan kayo parati.
Basta't huwag mo nang gagawin ulit ang mga bagay na yan dahil maaari mo itong ikapahamak.
Oo, Kuya June, hinding-hindi na talaga ako babalik sa kanila.
Bukas, ipapasyal ka namin ni June sa mall. Huwag kang mawawala ha.
Sige Ate Ann, available ako bukas.
O paano? Papasok na kami. Tawagan mo lang ako kung kailangan mo ng tulong ko. Mag-iingat ka palagi.
Sige po kuya, maraming salamat.